Hey guys, welcome back to my very dirty and very well-known Seagull lighting celebrity 52-inch ceiling fan. Well-known, of course, I mean by how many times I've filmed this fan. I filmed it about 5 years ago, and it's been in a few of my National Ceiling Fan Day videos. And honestly, concerning my original video especially, I'm not too happy with how I filmed that. So I'm just gonna reshoot it here in this video for you guys. A dorky light kit with only one bulb. So here's low. Oh, and we'll relax here for a bit while it spins up. This is what's nice about filming ceiling fans in a bedroom. You have a nice big bed to lie on. And you can sit back and watch. So this is a fan I picked up at my restore about 5 years ago now. That's about the time when I released the original video of this. Ooh, I can hear those bearings. This fan sees use almost all the time. During the day, it's not run too often, but during the evening and through the night, my parents use this fan. This will also be the last time you see this fan hanging anyway. I will be replacing this fan. Yeah, this coming week I plan to replace it. I have a much newer and equally unique fan I'll be hanging here. I can't say it'll be 100% better, because I really don't know how these things perform, because it's pretty new. But should be interesting nonetheless. Whoops. All right. Let's go to medium. And I have a tighter grip on my phone because I just got a new phone case on it. I was feeling no breeze on low, by the way, from over here. Only underneath it could you tell there was air moving. It was pretty bad. Medium, however, I feel a decent breeze from it. If not for the bearings, it'd be running silently on medium. Let's go to high. Don't have too much to say about the fan. I mostly bought it just because I really like the finish of it. And you don't hear about the company too often. I've maybe seen one other Seagull lighting branded fan on my marketplace. And it was trashed. I think these ones came in a plain white finish, a white and polished brass finish, and then there's this finish. I don't know if those are the same fans or not, but that's the extent of my knowledge on Seagull lighting, on cheap builders fans especially. Because this is definitely one of those fans that an electrical contractor picks up just for something cheap to hang up, or your average couple who may not be willing to break the bank on a fan and just want something that works as a fan. And that's pretty much what this thing is. It just happens to have a little extra flourish. And strangely seems to have the same mounting hardware from a Harbor Breeze fan. So I wonder if they have the same OEM. But let's do spin down. Now, what I'm going to do here next is not something I will be doing regularly. So please don't ask. But one viewer named @Rafe383 said that his son Nashi was having a birthday either this or last week. So, Nashi, I hope you have a happy birthday, buddy, and have a great day. Sorry it's not a better fan to show off, but still a pretty cool one in my opinion. With kind of saggy blades. But this is not a fan I would have seen in my... If I've seen it in my childhood, I would have ignored it, because it's definitely not a noteworthy fan. Mentioned earlier, I picked this fan up from my Habitat restore the day I met WeFire in person, and we both picked up a fan. He picked up a Newtone Decorator 5. I picked this up. I don't know if he still has that Newtone or not. He might. But yeah, like I said, this is going to be put away in storage once I replace it. Spin down is still pretty good on it despite the dried out bearings. It's still under like 2 minutes, but yeah. I like how it fit in this room too with the wood paneling. They have this bright white paneling, and the dark fan kind of sets it off nicely. And just about done. Yeah, I apologize for how dirty it is. You can definitely see it's been used. All right, let's do 0 to high. Oof, you can hear those. You can hear those bearings. I forgot to mention, the breeze on high is actually not that bad for what it is. It's about as good as another pair of cheap builders I tested at a friend's house. They also had those and a Monte Carlo hugger. But there you have it. The Seagull Lighting Celebrity Ceiling Fan. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.